PROFIS Engineering helps make you more productive designing anchors. We will walk through a design example highlighting the basic parameters to design post-installed anchors. First, we will input the concrete properties and geometry. The base material is cracked concrete and has a strength of 4,000 psi. The concrete thickness is 24 inches. The edge of concrete is 8 inches from the profile center. Next, the profile is an HSS 6x6 by a 1/4 inch square tube. We can add the loads a few different ways, such as inputting them manually, creating load combinations, and inputting the service loads, or import loads directly from a structural analysis software, or import loads from Excel. In this example, we will copy and paste the loads from Excel. We can see the long list of anchor options and select an anchor such as the Quick Bolt TZ2. The utilization percentages for each of the failure modes is shown in the right pane. When the spacing between the anchors is changed or the embedment depth of the anchor is changed, the results are quickly updated. There are options to consider cast-in supplemental reinforcement that increases the capacity for concrete breakout. When we switch to a different anchor type, such as the HIT HY200V3 adhesive with a HAS rod, notice the quick change in the results. For connections with a high shear load, we can add a shear lug to help with the shear capacity of the connection. There are a few options of the shape of the shear lug that can be selected. There are additional options to help with the shear load, such as modifying the shear load distribution options that affect the shear concrete breakout calculations. Click on the information box to learn more. The first option uses only the first row of anchors near the edge to resist the shear load when calculating the concrete breakout. Next is the option to include 2 or 3 rows of anchors to resist the shear load. Notice how the utilization results have changed. For circular or irregular layouts, the software offers more flexibility with an additional option that is not outlined in ACI or CSA. This adhesive anchor can be installed with the SafeSet hollow drill bit to automatically clean the hole during drilling. This SafeSet option helps to remove cleaning steps for the installer, providing peace of mind for the project team. The suggested specification text can be easily copied and pasted. The detailed report includes the equations, references, variables, and results available for review and documentation. PROFIS Engineering enables a productive way to design with high-performing anchors quickly and easily, giving you peace of mind for your next project.